Experiencing a Rogers NextBox stuck on the boot screen? You're not alone. This section focuses on performing a hard reset, the most common first step to resolving this issue. A hard reset is essentially a power cycle that clears temporary memory and can resolve glitches preventing the NextBox from starting correctly. To perform a hard reset, Step 1. Locate the power cord connected to your Rogers NextBox. Step 2. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, not the back of the box itself. This ensures a complete power disconnection. Step 3. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the NextBox's capacitors to fully discharge, clearing any residual memory. Step 4. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Step 5. Observe the NextBox as it powers on. The boot process should initiate normally. According to Rogers troubleshooting guides, this method resolves approximately 70% of boot issues by resetting corrupted caches. If the hard reset doesn't work, proceed to the next section for the account refresh method. If a hard reset doesn't solve the boot problem, the next step is to refresh your account connection to the NextBox. This process resynchronizes the device with your Rogers account, resolving any entitlement or authorization issues that might be causing the boot failure. First, open the My Rogers app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store and log in with your Rogers account credentials. Next, navigate to the Devices section within the app. Locate your Rogers NextBox in the list of devices associated with your account. Select the NextBox and look for an option labeled Refresh or Refresh Device. Tap this option. The app will initiate a synchronization process. This may take a few minutes. This process updates channel access and fixes account-related boot locks. If the account refresh is unsuccessful and your NextBox continues to be stuck on boot, consult Rogers support line at 1-800-ROGERS-1 for more assistance. A Rogers automated tool can fix 60% of these issues without a technician visit.